Question 26, that's a nicer one. So we're actually going to do something first, find out where they meet. So let's put them equal to each other. And the definitions of these: e to the x plus e to the minus x equals 7 minus e to the x minus e to the minus x over 2. I'm going to be careful with that minus there, aren't I? Should we times everything by 2 and multiply it out to just to make sure we're not going to make any mistakes for this? So I've got all of that. I'm timesing by 2, I said, so I'm going to have a 14 here, and I'm going to have a minus e to the x and a plus e to the minus x. So let's add that one. So I'm going to have 6 of those. Let's take away that one. I'm going to have 4 of those. Minus 14 equals 0. And we'll times it all by e to the x as well. So if you times it all by e to the x, we get 6 e to the 2x minus 14 e to the x's plus 4 equals 0. Divide it all by 2, and there's a nice little quadratic. Let's factorize that quadratic. It's going to be 1 and 2, isn't it? It's that way around. And they are both negative. Yes, they're both negative to give that bit there. So we've got two answers. E to the x is equal to 2. So x is equal to ln 2. Or e to the x is equal to a third. And so x is equal to the ln of a third, which of course is the same as minus ln 3. And they're the 2 points where it meets. I think I'll risk it and keep going. To find the area, we want to integrate between minus ln 3 and ln 2. Now the top one there is the 7 take away shine x1, and then we want to take away the bottom one as well, the 5 cosh x, and I'm going to put it all in one integral because they've got the same bounds there, so I might as well. I could do them as two separate bits. Integrating that gives me 7x. The shine just goes to the cosh, and the cosh just goes to the shine. That's a bit easier than all these integrals we've been doing for a while, isn't it? And so what have we got? We've got putting that in. I'll pause while I put that in with the calculator. Right, so I paused and just tapped all of these into the calculator and putting all those bits there. And so I'm ending up in the final bit here as 7 ln 2 plus 7 ln 3. So that's the same as 7 ln 6. And I've got minus 5 here and another minus 5 there. So take away 10 at the end there. It does say leaving your answers in the form of ln A plus B. So actually I've got to do 6 to the power of 7 to finish off. I didn't think of doing that. So I've got 279936. So it's the ln of that. Take away 10. Here's my final answer.